Okay guys, here we go. It's like a scrapping pallet, man. It's got one of these things. Now I got one. That's gonna go in the back. That's going in the back. Got tools to be put away. Yeah, it's going in the back today. We get this in the back. Just so you guys know, if you ever come across anything like this, this here just unscrews. You got a nice little brass end on here, a couple pieces of brass you can take apart during a day when you got nothing to do. You just take it apart. Put a little screw on the back. Pan will probably pop out. Get up under it. Okay. So we got some scrap, guys. I'll put all that back in there. I don't really need it. I just did it to show you guys how you could get this piece off if you had to. You know, I'll throw all that back in there. Taking that TV apart, I took apart the other day. You know, I thought I would get a few more views on there. I thought I was going to get a few more views altogether on the channel there, but I don't know. I guess a lot of people don't like what I'm doing. I don't know, but you know, I gotta keep on moving, keep it going. You know. Another piece of metal I found. It's going in the scrap pile. So I got quite a bit to go in the scrap pile. Even this, what's the name on this thing? BBQ Pro. Nothing cooks like a pro. We got some pro scrapping going on right here, guys. This we're gonna save. Got the washer, throw over there. I think we can get rid of this thing now, guys, since I put it on air. If you didn't see it, we got this at Party City. I might even end up editing that video down much further to where I got that from. Just do the two dumpsters and where I got all this stuff from. So you guys don't want to have to watch a long video. Not sure what I'm going to do with that thing, guys. Tools go back over here. Not sure what I'm going to do with all these tickets, but you know, we got a bunch of copper and stuff. The heck? I guess that went inside. That went inside of this. Let's throw it out. We had our fun, you know. As far as these speakers, I'm not gonna. These will go in shred. They'll go in shred. Get rid of those. I gotta do something with this battery I found the other day. Take the plastic off it, I guess. See what kind it is. I think it was 16 point something. Or check it out though, guys. Got some wire and some ends. We gotta put this in with the other stuff. I gotta cut this end off as well. Hey guys, this is a 14.8. I don't know, is this a laptop battery or a game battery or something? Oh, no way, man, no way. I could use these for my flashlight, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, it's got a little chipboard on there. It's like a little tiny bit of gold plate, but not much for sure. Okay, so one end has to be positive. Let me get my multimeter. We'll check this out. See if it's charged. Okay, here's my Harbor Freight multimeter, guys. This charge just got 16.38. Let's see if I can hold that up for you. Maybe you'll be able to see that right there, hopefully. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what happened, guys. There we go, 1638. So this is charged. Swap. I'm going to swap the ends. It's 1640. Not bad. This fully charged battery system. Okay, so this is 14.8 volts divided by 4. Okay, guys, so that's 3.6 each, or 3.7 each. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the chipboard. I don't see how I could even charge these with anything. Now, I have a charger that I can charge a flashlight battery with. I'm just going to cut these off. Weird. So cool. Okay, guys, so here's those batteries. This battery, iZoom battery, I think it's 3.7 volts. These are 3.7 volts as well. And guess what? Look at that, guys. 3.7 volts. Bright as heck. Bright as heck. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. Right there, guys. See that? Let me see that. Right. It's just a little plastic insert to keep everything in place. But these are going to work fine, guys. These work fine. There's a little knob on the end of this one, if you can see that. But these pink laptop batteries, whatever they are, we got in the scrap, are going to work for my flashlight. That's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna fix the rest of these. I'm gonna fix the rest of these, guys, so I could use all these. Like if I'm outside, I'll have one of these with me. If this goes bad, starts to die out, boom, I got a replacement. I don't have to buy them. Freaking awesome is that, guys? Yeah, that's worth a thumbs up right there, guys.